What's up, guys? What's up? And today I made a new house stuff. Luke's here with me today, and I can show you what silverfish can actually do. But I think you can already. I think you already knew this. What's a silverfish? I think you already knew this, but I think this is the thing where they hide in. Only stone and stone brick. See? Break all the blocks. Oh. Did they just break a block? Not break one. Wow. If you're in survival, you'll have died. Just saying. Let's see how. Oh yeah, it's sleep. Just check. Hello? Oh, never mind. Well, gosh. Ooh, I can sleep. Just kidding. Oh, finally. Okay, now, time to kill myself. See how bad I can actually kill myself. See how. Okay, you ready? Grab the. Add. Ah. My book! I forgot I had a book. See time. My book! It's my most special book. I'm still working.